Yeah, things are actually, it's starting to get really bad here. Over the past few hours, it's just progressed into worse and worse conditions. Right now, we're up to the point where the conditions seem to be getting worse, and things don't seem to be lightening up at all. Wind gusts are very, very bad. It seems, I can literally I'm standing outside on my porch right next to my door, and I can barely stand here right now.
Well, we can hear clearly the wind gust as you speak to us there. What type of information have authorities?
I'm hearing trees getting knocked over, and I'm sorry, what's that?
So trees being knocked over, potentially power cut. What have authorities been telling you? Is the message stay home and don't attempt to go out?
Yeah, so I actually set a curfew last night at 10 p.m. Where no one was. You were supposed to stay indoors and stay inside unless there was an absolute dire emergency. But and we've followed that rule. But just standing outside on the balcony, and you can just hear shingles and roofs going off. You hear metal clanking. The wind is really bad. It keeps picking up and letting go, and then picking up again.
Mr. Ben Brahim, what kind of support have authorities been offering in this very tough time as winds are increasingly strong where you are?
So I'm actually over in the Beta Island. So they've informed us that moment that are ready to assist in the event of an emergency. They're also ready to assist with cleanup and helping with. There's a lot of rocks are falling. They're going to help clear roadways, and they also got the Navy on standby a little further away from where the hurricane is, and they're basically to the hurricane passes to provide assistance and any sort of supplies that we need.
Okay, Mr. Ben Brahim speaking to us from the Saba Island in the Dutch Antilles.